जय श्रीमन्नारायण. किष्किंधाकांड. हो Rama, once when Madhukaitabha demons stole the Veda Shruti and kept in Patalam, Hayagriva, Paramatma came as Hayagriva and brought that Veda Shruti very safely back. That is how I would have found Sita and brought Sita back and give you very safely. Ho Rama, Sugriva killing me is dharmam. It's not something that should not be done, because Sugriva and myself are brothers. We fight each other for kingdom and other properties. That is something nobody can say no, and it is dharmam also. Now if Sugriva kills me, he would get this kingdom. That is very fair on his part. But the unfair part is on you. You were not seen by me. You were in the behind of my back, and then you killed me. This is something very unfair and adharmam. Ho Rama, in this world everybody at some point have to go from this body. For that I am not worrying. But my worry is, why did you do that? How did you do this? What answer you have to justify your act? Rama, uttaram sadhu chintyatam. Get your answer ready. Like that, when Vali said to Rama, and while Vali talking to Rama, Vali's throat, pari sushka vaktraha, slowly it is getting dried. Because sarabhighatat vyadhitaha, because of an arrow which is shooted by Rama is now paining the entire body of Vali. Now Vali silently looking at Sri Ramachandra Swami. Rama heard all those words spoken by Vali. Rama heard all those sweet words spoken by Vali. Rama heard all those sarcastic words spoken by Vali. Rama heard all those words which are abiding by the law spoken by Vali. Now Rama is getting back to, Rama is responding to. Ramaha Valinam Abravit. Now Rama is responding back to Vali. Sri Ramachandra Swami now talking to Vali, saying that, Ho Vali, dharmam ardhancha kamancha samayanchapi laukikam. Without thinking about dharmam, without thinking about ardhakamam, without even thinking about the traditions, with all of your ignorance you are talking to me, you are accusing me. Vali, without even consulting elderly people, great people, you are accusing me with all of your monkey mind. Oh Vali, without understanding about dharma, artha, kamas and traditions, you are trying to accuse me, you are trying to teach me lessons with your monkey mind. Vali, do you know one thing? This entire bhumi which is filled up with mountains, forests and all these things, Ikshvakunam iyam bhumihi, all this entire Jambudvipam belongs to Ikshvaku. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.